Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Bee. Today I'm going to show you how I painted this blue galaxy. I started by mixing turquoise blue and white gouache and then using my size 16 round brush to apply it to the center of the painting. I also have a horizontal line to guide me on where I want the sky and the mountain. Then I'm going straight in with turquoise blue and blending it out. This takes a while because I had to constantly clean my brush and blend the colors. Then I added indigo blue up the top to make the sky darker, and then added it again to the bottom for the lake. After that, I used a clean brush to lift some of the paint off of the center of the painting. Adding white gouache and then blending it out with a clean brush. I added pink and emerald green to the galaxy for a bit of colour and used a clean brush to blend that out as well. Then I added the stars. I do this by loading up one brush with white gouache and then tapping it against a clean brush, which allows the paint to spray over the paper evenly. Lastly, I drew the mountain with indigo blue and let it dry before carefully taking the tape off. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.